all the allegations and accusations against me is totally wrong. It is well-planned conspiracy to malign my image and to create a fear psychosis among the public and to the supporters of BJP. Since the BJP is growing and becoming strengthened every day, our coalition partner, mostly the NPP and its chief, Conrad Sama, has actually conspired against BJP by targeting me because I have won from his seat in the heart of Garo Hills, in the hill town, where tribals, Christians, non-Christians, everyone has actually voted for BJP, and now BJP is accepted as the next political party for the state of Meghalaya. And this has created fears, insecurity among other political leaders, and especially to Conrad Sama, who has directed the police to file a case against me and to gun me down. I am told that I'm a target, and the special order has come from the top to gun me down. So when I was in Shillong to attend the state executive meeting, I was asked to go to Shillong Thana, and as I was coming out to go to Shillong Thana, I saw 2 bolero and 1 police gypsy coming towards where I was, and I had to move out because it was Mukesh Singh. Mukesh Singh is the IGP of Law and Order in Shillong, and he's looking after the Garo Hills also. And I was very apprehensive because I had the information that they are trying to implicate me and, if possible, to gun me down. And I was surprised to see them immediately outside where I was taking rest. Then I had to move out of Shillong and I have to come to Guwahati. And I'm not absconding, I'm not evading arrest, but I'm just trying to be safe and to bring out the truth to the public, because they are highlighting the negative side of the story by the Hub News, which is sponsored by NPP. Hub News is sponsored by NPP, and they are trying to bring a bad name to me as well as to the party, because party is growing in Meghalaya and party is growing in Garo Hills particularly, and we are hopeful of winning more seats in Garo Hills, and it has become a threat to them, and that's why the entire drama. And they have accused me of running a brothel, a prostitution, which is totally false. Actually, I am helping the underprivileged children to study. Even in that farm, I am keeping not less than around 9-10 of the students and helping them to study. Even those children who were taken in custody by the police are actually being sponsored by me, and there is nothing untoward or any kind of harassment given to them. But the police has come to my farm again and again and created this fear psychosis, and this time they have gone to an extreme, and even now they are trying to dig up many old cases which I'm not even related to. Right now also they have actually taken a JCB and they're destroying the houses there, the shops there, which is actually a livelihood to many people around that area.